If you are looking for the best soldering gun, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Tabiger soldering iron. The iron boasts an adjustable power output that ranges from around 400 to 800 degrees. Still, with plenty of power, there's no need to wait for the device to heat. We love how easy it is to adjust this soldering iron's onboard temperature dial. The numbers are all marked and boast accurate corresponding temperatures. There's even an onboard LED power indicator that lets you know when the iron is hot and ready to go. Between the adjustable settings and interchangeable tips, there's no limit to what you can achieve with the Tabiger kit. Number 2. Dremel 2001 VersaTip Precision Butane Torch Portable Micro Torch Mini Welder. A soldering torch, such as the Dremel 2001 VersaTip Precision Butane Soldering Torch, is generally used by jewelers because it is intended to melt precious metals that require above-average heat such as silver, gold and copper. This iron can perform a wide variety of functions, including burning, cutting, heating, shrinking, and welding. Highly accurate, this tool is perfect for detail and hobby work with the added bonus of being portable. A self-ignition button eliminates the need for an external igniter, and the tank holds enough butane for 75 minutes of use. Number 3. Vastar Soldering Iron Kit. Constructed of stainless steel and iron-plated tip ensures that their product and the properties are sustained and reliable. It features a steel pipe design for more efficient heat dissipation. It also has a temperature control with a special thermostat circuit which allows you to control and adjust the temperature. This has a chip-fixed resistor that will assist in getting the iron tip hot much quicker, which enables for better heat dissipation efficiency, providing you with a more stable quality tool. This soldering iron has a soft grip design giving you a more comfortable soldering experience. Number 4. Welder D550PK Professional Soldering Gun Kit. The D550 soldering gun included in this kit is one of Welder's most powerful models to date. It boasts dual power settings, which include 200 and 260 wattages. In addition to offering plenty of power, the D550 heats up in record-fast times. It only takes 6 seconds to reach 1000 degrees of temperature. One of the perks of the Welder is its pistol grip, which makes it easier for users to hold onto and control the device. It also has trigger-activated power output. Number 5. Lenk LG400C Soldering Gun. The Lenk LG400C is the ideal soldering gun for any job, large, medium and small. The tip reaches a maximum temperature of 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for performing effective heavy-duty, sustained soldering. Another favorable feature is the dual wattage element. The higher wattage heats up the tip rapidly and the lower wattage remains rated tip temperature. Furthermore, this soldering gun provides you with instant response, convenient control and is very easy to use. It also has a large 1-inch built-in work light which illuminates your
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.